Hey guys, I just wanted to show you what we got going on today. We finally got our paint protection in for the stripes on this Challenger. We're wrapping the full thing in paint protection film. We're doing paint protection dual rally stripes. So dual rally stripes have been done a lot. I don't know anybody that's done dual rally stripes in carbon fiber paint protection. So there's one place that makes really good carbon fiber paint protection, it's S-Tech. We ordered a roll of it, it just came in. I thought I'd show you what it looked like. It's pretty dope. We got hot cars inside because it's cold outside. It's super cold outside. Like there's ice baby going down out there.
What's cool about this is you get candy every time.
It might seem a little silly, but it's really cool marketing, honestly. Oh my God. What? You always count on them to come through with some cheap candy. But it's exciting. Look at the depth on this. And this actually has, so you're not even getting the full effect yet. But once we do the stripes, you're really gonna see, in my mind, the best version of carbon fiber that's out there. If you know one better, definitely let me know, because I'm looking for it. I'm always looking to have the best products to sell and put on people's cars and make it look cool. This is gonna be next level cool. So we're excited to get going on it. I actually promised Dakota I'd take him out this weekend. If we get it all done by Saturday, I'm gonna take him out, all he can eat, all he can drink, whatever he wants to do. We're gonna do whatever he wants. So he's gonna be busting it out this week. So we're excited to get it done. I think I showed you guys that those signs, we picked them up, you know? So we got them going. We're gonna go cut these off and hang them on a building. Something fun we do. Show Me Floors, they're actually doing my carpet in my theater room, super gangster. In case you don't know, they do flooring. Look, you know, advertising doesn't have to be complicated. It does kind of have to be big, but that's nice. Flooring. I can see that from a mile away. Let me show you some of the more challenging stuff on this Challenger. Challenging Challenger, you know? Honestly, I've done a lot of these, but when I first started doing them a long time ago, this bumper used to just beat me up. This curve here, getting this to meet here, and then it flows into this curve, and you can see the bumper ends right here on this plastic. There's not a lot of room to stretch past it because this keeps you from pulling past the panel, right? So you can't pull it back, and you want everything to line up perfectly, and it's got to set in here and through here. It's super hard. This bumper's still hard, but I have enough experience to handle it. If this is like your first time doing these, you know they're tough. Like they're tough. It's got this shaker hood, and we've got to come up with a design for the stripes. This guy was adamant about these. We're gonna do like dual rally stripes right down the middle of these. And what happens is when you're doing stripes down the bumper, you want to keep them looking straight, but you're going over curves and you're going over indentions. So technically all these pieces are gonna be crooked, but set to where they look like they flow straight down the car, because you want it to waterfall straight down. So when in the beginning, a long time ago, I remember like trying to figure those out and struggling with those, and now I've got it down. So before long, you'll see a video of this thing all done. It'll have two big dual rally stripes on it. It'll be super shiny, be super wet. This one's going out today. Dakota's shipping it. He's getting the ceramic pro coating put on it. It's gonna be protected. And hopefully the material shows up. Chrysler 300 we're wrapping, which I think, someone else said it says the most popular color, you know? It's a satin black, matte black. People want to do that all the time in the wrap. They're like, make it matte black. So this is in prep mode. You've seen me do it, the chop shop. Wheels off, tail lights out, you know, handles off. I mean, it's waiting for the material. As soon as the material hits, boom, Nick's gonna blow this thing up. He's got the bumper off, ready to rock. And this thing is gonna look murdered out. I wanna show you like a before and after. We even took the wheels off. We're gonna make them match the wrap, and it's gonna be a total different package. And this guy is hyped. He's so hyped. He's like, this is the nicest car I've ever had, and I just wanna make it look thug, and did our best tint on it, the Evolve film. So it's gonna be cool. I'm just ready to get rolling. Shipping's been terrible with all the ice and snow. So we've been like waiting on all the fun stuff to show up, and now it's here. So let's get rocking. You know what I mean? They call this a satin white aluminum, and it probably looks factory to you if you're just looking at it right now. See the way this looks? This is just the customer's request. He wanted this kind of hockey puck to go in there, and it's called a satin white aluminum. It looks factory now, but it's actually a vinyl. Just roll it on there. Nick's already banged it out, honestly. So that the colors will fade. So this is a nice way if you got something to, you know, kind of freshen it up. You know what I mean? This is a nice car. It just needs a little maintenance every now and then, and we can make it look fly, you know? Oh my God, I almost died right there. Can you imagine if I died right there on camera? That'd be so crazy. But then it'd be like it'd probably be viral. You're like, oh my God, he actually died. I hope not. Let's keep it rolling. I still love this truck. This is one of my favorite trucks. If it was mine, I'd slam it on the ground. This thing wouldn't be able to drive, it'd be so low. We're excited. Next week, we're doing a bunch of the same stuff. We're gonna bring a bunch of new cars in. So if everything goes good, you'll see all these go out at the end of the week, and we're gonna pull a bunch of new ones in. So I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm hyped about it. Feel free to comment, like, share, whatever you wanna do. Come down to the shop. I'll show you in person. All right, thank you.